I want to thank you for taking time out and doing this, Steve.
No, that's great.
So don't hit that when you're waving around with your all my hand talking.
Smile.
Here we go. Nick's got it. You're on, Nick. Rock and roll, buddy.
Great.
First, let me say thanks for taking time out.
Thank you for coming
Appreciate
in.
it.
We appreciate what Domino's doing here. We think it'll be very beneficial to our success.
We started looking at digital about 3 or 4 years ago. We made the decision to send out product to a variety of manufacturers to see what the quality of the product would look like, and through it all, Domino shined, and that's why we chose Domino.
It was a known commodity, a known and proven technology. And after going through that vetting process and talking with the people and seeing what the quality of that machine was, for us, it was just a no-brainer that it was going to be Domino. It was the best fit for our organization and a good partnership for us.
After meeting with all the different machine manufacturers, we could really tell that Domino wanted to be a strategic partner. They were, what can we do? How can we do it better? And we'll be there to support you after we sell this press. And they've definitely held up their end of that.
Domino not only partnered with us in making sure we understood the technology and that our operators understood how to run the machine, but they also helped us from the sales and marketing standpoint. It just added a lot of capabilities for our company.
I get asked all the time, why should I buy a digital press? With Domino's leasing program, the question really becomes, why wouldn't you buy a digital press? It includes service, maintenance, training, print heads. So it's really nice that customers get to have that fixed monthly amount. There's no uncertainties.
One of the big advantages of the Domino financing program for us is the ability to invest in other things. Sales, marketing, hiring new employees are all the ways that we're going to grow the business, and with the financing, it allows us to do that.
They came out to me, they brought the contracts, we went over everything, and it was boom, boom, slam dunk, it's done. It was awesome.
To me, the real benefit is dealing directly with Domino.
We had looked at and invested in another technology. It was not going well. And I came across a competitor and we started talking about this casually, and he says, well, if you want to make the right decision, just go with Domino and don't worry about the other guys.
The relationship that I have with and the confidence that I have with the people at Domino, the competitiveness of the price, quality, and throughput. When you added everything together, it was just a no-brainer. There was not even anyone else even thought of as another choice.
Domino's been right there, right from the start, to help us, get through a learning curve, to understand digital, and to support us throughout the process. So it's been great.
The Domino difference for me is the speed, the quality of the product that you get in the end, and their tech support is fantastic. It really makes a difference. If you have problems, they're resolved quickly and efficiently, and they're fixed. And that's it, man. It's a nice piece of equipment.
To me, the Domino difference is success on every level.
Domino has been excellent in their after-sales support, and we certainly don't feel like they're just a vendor. They've definitely become a business partner at Grace Label. Their people are here when we need them. Their technology folks are on the phone whenever we have questions. They're helping us think about our business in different ways. They're a true partner.
Domino's service and support has been number one. We get the response we need when we need it, and it gives you a lot of comfort that you put your trust in Domino.
With Domino, their service people are incredible. They've been proactive, they've helped us solve problems before they happen. People like Jesse and Tim, people that have helped us get through problems that we didn't even know existed. Their service people have helped us grow and give a better product.
I believe the Domino difference is the ability to reach out and get the help that you need and get the answers that you need. We went through our training right before the lockdown happened. They were still available during the entire pandemic. So Domino, they were on top of their game the whole way.
The Domino difference is the level of support we receive, bar none. Tom Gresnick and his team are the best in the business, and they always take the time to teach our operators more about the equipment so we're self-sufficient. It's a win-win proposition.
The Domino N610 is a phenomenal press. The service, the team, the reliability, the installation, everything just went so well. I couldn't imagine how it could have gone any better. If I had to do over again, I'd buy another one in a heartbeat.
And all these choices came about because of our collaboration with Domino and their recognition of what we were looking for as to grow our company.
I believe the Domino Difference is the commitment, the feeling of partnership, the quality that Domino delivers, the speed, the efficiency, the capacities it allows us to go to. That is the Domino Difference for impact.
For Mammoth, the Domino Difference really started from the beginning. It was with their outstanding sales force who really listened and understand what we needed. And then the support team around him who helped you with the pro formas, helped you do your analysis to make sure your ROI would actually happen. We have big goals. We want to quadruple the size of the company in the next 5 years, and partnering with Domino is one of the main things that's going to allow us to accomplish that goal.
Our future for us now is we're buying another Domino for Canada. Investing in that future now will pay off dividends. Every year, every month, I see us growing more and more. And Domino digital technology is getting us closer to a platform where we're starting to remove variables. That's the win.
Best thing is we've been partners for many years now, and it's worked well for us on our bottom line and the partnership.
At Outlook Group, our mission is to save our customers time by finding solutions that are efficient, innovative, and sustainable. Domino helps us with that. They've been helping us for 12 years and will continue to do so in the future.
If you're a customer looking for consistency, if you're looking for that high-end quality, it's a no-brainer to go with Domino, and we are looking very forward to expanding our digital line even further.
Being in the digital space for over 15 years, it was very easy for us to compare the data, arrive at the savings, and really have a strong understanding of the cost of ownership. So it really was a fairly easy decision for us in the end when it came to what's the right and what's the best technology for our organization.
We ask ourselves two questions. Is it good for Orion Label, and is it good for the customer? If the answer is yes, we go. We really think that this is what's going to take us to the next level. We truly believe that this is the way to go. We're poised for greatness.
My father used to say, you know what? Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has problems. It's the manner in which you stand behind your product, your problem, your integrity. And Domino, they've been incredible every step of the way. And I'm very, very happy. Far exceeded my expectations.
Domino has always been a favor of mine. Just great people, you know. I mean, David Allen is one of those vendors who's more than a vendor. You know, he's a friend.
We've had digital now for 2.5 years. Domino Difference has really impacted Grace Label. We're able to service our customers. I can't imagine going back to a time without the ability to run the Domino.
Everything we were told has happened. The quality of the service we get from Jesse is phenomenal, and from Emily through David Ellen, the things that we're told happen. It's a great press. It's done everything that we've asked it to do. We have no regrets. We're really happy with our purchase.
Perfect. Nailed it.